Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm kind of journaling and kind of giving you guys some tips on how to practice motivation every single day. So you may think, what's the use of this video? This is the use. Hey everyone, I am Sarah and I upload study related plus art related videos for now. If you have any ideas on some videos, feel free to comment, and without any further ado, let's get into the video. Before looking at the tips, I need to tell you guys a flashback that happened 3 days ago. It was actually really bad, and I was on a breakdown when I did not know what to do, and I had piles of works that was on due. I actually watched cartoons all day until I decided to pull myself back to the way I was. And for the last 3 days, I have been having productivity level at max. And here is how. Firstly, what I did was watch productive study vlogs where people actually do work rather than eating. Like if you see most of the study vlogs, people actually eat food rather than actually studying. Most of the study vlogs when I watch, it's like eating or journaling or kind of that, but they actually do not do work. Instead they watch cartoons or something like that. So sometimes you have to ignore that, and instead this really changed the way I was 3 days back ago when I watched the study vlogs where people do work. So I got myself up and started revising for my examinations and started writing my notes and my record, and I was really happy. And one study YouTuber that I would recommend is Brianna Kwan and maybe Ruby Granger and also Lani Polipa. They're high on productivity, so I'd really recommend this tip to you guys. So, secondly, what I did was do the fun tasks first. What do I mean by fun? I mean that it should be fun according to you. If you don't find anything fun, then what you have to do is select something on your list that requires high level concentration, like writing notes. For example, when I write notes, I lose myself in another thought. So, if you pick the first task as writing notes, then you would have this concentration till the end, and when you run out of concentration, it's a reminder for you to take a break or eat something like that. Thirdly, what you should do is wake up early, like not too early, but wake up early. Waking up early has really helped me to concentrate on stuff. The time I wake up is not very early, like 5 or 6 a.m., but in a medium level, like 7 o'clock or sometimes even 8. What happens when you wake up early? Well, some people say that we are fresh and so we study better, and some people say that noise is not there so it's better. But from what I observed was that it helped me to memorize and understand the concept better. So, for example, I take a hard subject like a language. Then, when you read it or when I read it, it goes into our brain quickly as there's nothing inside already. I would also recommend not to watch anything before studying. If you want to watch a study vlog to pump yourself, then watch the study vlogs the night before to keep you in that mood. Fourth tip: don't find any shows to watch at least until you finish your work. The biggest mistake that I did while I was in the breakdown was that I kept binge watching cartoons all day, and when it ends, I would find a new one so that I wouldn't like be bored or something. So what I did was that when I finished the show, I did not pick up any other shows to watch. And what was I watching? So you may ask, what was I watching for the past 3 days? The answer is study vlogs. There's nothing much to say about this tip anymore, so I think we just move on to the next tip. So the last and the final tip is that after you finish the work, you deserve a break. You deserve a break after all that exhausting work that you do not even think about giving up. So pat yourself on the back and take a big baby break until again when you get piles of work to do. Well, fine. So this is the tips that I got for you guys, and I hope that it really helped you guys to maybe kind of pump you up to study or practice motivation every day. Don't find any shows to watch until you finish the work. And yeah, guys, see you in the next video. Bye.